Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Kuya Danmar Dayaw and the Marcos loyalist. Please all of you, just stop harassing Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he is anti-Marcos and he has his own opinion that his mother, even his pet dog, they are already dead. I'm not saying a death threat because they are already dead last year. But for me, I am just gonna say to you, Danmar Dayaw, why can't you just stop bullying Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Clarence Barredo and I, we are so disappointed. You know, Danmar Dayaw, do you want to be like Paulo Cruzada? Do you want to be happen to Paulo Cruzada? Huh? You're the one who make a fake account of me, even my name in Facebook, to try to manipulate Cedric. You're the one who made the fake account of David Gill. What is that David Gill's fake account? Oh, you're using his name to manipulate Cedric. You said you put what is that, Demon Crown of Michelle D. That was not David Gill. Oh, that was not really me. Oh, David Gill claims, who created this? Why did you do this to me? Oh, that's all nonsense. You know, Danmar, you're the one who created the chaos. And now you see that me and David Gill, we got frame again. We got frame because of you. The Arts Inclusion Philippines always to get frame to anybody. Danmar, you should learn how to be good. You should learn how to change yourself. Just like I said, everyone are anti-Marcos. Danmar, you know that. For what you did to Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that you're using a fake account to manipulate Cedric. None. Alright. Alright, I'm not talking to my friends. You know, Danmar, you need to learn your lesson, Danmar Dayaw. You know, for me, for what you have done to Kuya Rodelio Daguman, you know, Danmar, Roylan Marlang will never going to forgive you. Because Roylan says to me, at that time, me and Clarence Barredo, we told Roylan Marlang that the fake account of Rodelio Daguman is not really him. That is not really him, and because The fake account of Rodelio Daguman, the picture of Sara Duterte. That's not really him. How would you ever that Rodelio Daguman or Kuya Rodelio knows Ernest Marasigan? Ernest Marasigan, he doesn't know Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Hindi niya kilala yon. That's why, like me, he doesn't know him. Me, I do not know who is Ernest Marasigan. That's really nonsense. Like me, I told to everyone, even for Sangkay Janjan and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Kuya Dan Mardayaw and the other Marcos loyalists, don't be such foolish. Don't be such manipulative. Even you, Sangkay Janjan and Dan Mardayaw. Kuya Danmar, with all due respect, can you just leave Kuya Rodelio Daguman alone? Just look at that person was that he is really a bully. Who you care if you're a bully, if you bully a cerebral palsy? I mean, I bully the cerebral palsy is Paula Colin Nunez. Last 2021, I insulted her, you can't even brush your teeth and you are very stupid. Oh, this is my fault. That means hindi ka marunong magsupilyo. Oh, that's the word. It wasn't me, it was Teacher May's quote. Because me and Teacher May Tiburcio, we apologize, Paula. Oh. Unlike you, Danmar, can you just stop insulting Rodelio? Kuya Rodelio Daguman, can you just stop harassing him, slandering his name, or you're trying to make a defamation against him? Danmar, Kuya Dan Mardayaw, you do not know about cyber libel. Oh. Because those Marcos loyalists, they don't know about cyber libel, even Sangkay Janjan and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. All of you don't know about cyber libel. Danmar, you don't know about cyber libel, Kuya Dan Mardayaw. Rodelio Daguman, or Kuya Rodelio, he has a right in his own opinion. If he's anti-Marcos, if he's a pro-Duterte, just leave him alone. Kuya Bear was right, just leave him alone. Is that what you mean, that he is not doing anything in social media like Facebook? And you manipulate him and nagging him that he's spreading a scandal like Jim Paredes. That was last 2021, and last 2020, that was 5 years ago. Before Miggy Labitag was become high school. Why can't you just stop nagging Kuya Rodelio Daguman? You know that. Like me, I respect Kuya Rodelio because he's a cerebral palsy. There are lots of people I respected that the cerebral palsy. For example, Lawrence Villawan is a cerebral palsy. He requested me to buy a PS4 game, a Need for Speed Heat, before we go to Japan. I accepted his second chance to buy PS4 game. I do not insult, I do not disrespect him. I do not want to insult him. Unlike you, Danmar, you always insult. Full of insult, full of negatives. Just like I just wanna say to you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, inaano ka ba ni Kuya Rodelio Daguman? What does he do anything to you? Do he ever make negatives at him? Does he never do anything? Like I said, does he never attack you, or he attacks you? Anyway, you know, it's really full of negatives. I'm just gonna say to you, Danmar, do not make a nonsense. And Cedric Mariano, he has nothing to do with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And first of all, he's busy in art. He's busy in drawing. Compared to Teacher Gio Malana, who's busy in the US. And he's busy in teaching. So, I do not want to nag him also in Messenger. But always I could say to Kuya Danmar Dayaw, enough nagging to anybody, especially to Cedric and the other people, even Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, me and Clarence Berardo says, magpakabait ka, Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Oh, that's why, you know, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, this is a lesson from Kuya Ver, Danmar Dayaw, or Kuya Danmar. Do not harass Kuya Rodelio Daguman. That's all. I just wanna say, I want to tell to Terra Francisco, pagsabihan nyo to si Kuya Danmar Dayaw. He has to stop what he's doing to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, me and Kuya Rodelio Daguman, we already reconcile. Thanks to Jeric Silva, thanks to Capitano Salonga, thanks to everyone who wants to reconcile the person that's cerebral palsy, even Ninang Bebe. I'm not attacking Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Me, I am no longer to insult Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I've never want to attack him or harass him. Because he's a cerebral palsy. I always learn how to respect. This is hard to say to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, even Sangkay Janjan and Danmar Dayaw and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. All of you should respect the cerebral palsy. They should respect. They learn how to be respect. You know me, I learn how to respect. I respect Lawrence Villawan. As I'm a Duterte supporter, I respect Lawrence. I respect John Mendoza. I respect all the cerebral palsy, even Sir Paulo Cua. Even my former enemy, Paula Colin Nunez, so I respected her. Let's not disrespect. Because, you know, I've been learned a lesson from Jeric Silva and Clarence Beredo. Sabi sa akin sa kanila, like I said, you know, we have to respect. Because you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, you will be happen like Paulo Cruzada. You will be happen to Paulo Cruzada that he was being scolded by his parents. that he caused a lots of big trouble. You need to learn your lesson.